Mthuli singing with the Zig zvaizoendawo manje takuona kuti aiwa the Zimbabwe gun currency riri kunzi aiwa riri kusinga aiwa riri kuluza value but vakomana varamba vakarigreba vakachibata kuti dzvi vasingadi kurisiya zvari kuoneka kunzi vakomana ava havazoshandisa brain sana pana masvika buda nyuko panapa ribva wasubscribe like turn on the bell kuti tina mzimu emunigwa muchinzi. Finance Minister Mthuli Ncube has doubled down on the government's commitment to phasing out the multi-currency system despite the ongoing decline in the Zimbabwean dollar Zig, which continues to lose value daily. Presenting the 2024 mid-term budget review in Harare, Ncube boldly asserted that the de-dollarization process is well underway and aimed at establishing a monocurrency regime supported by a stable local currency. Ncube emphasized the government's intention to adopt a pragmatic, market-oriented approach to de-dollarization, aiming to counteract the negative perception and adverse expectations that have historically undermined policy effectiveness. Regarding the local currency, Ncube assured that an optimal supply of Zig notes and coins would be maintained, balancing transactional convenience with preserving the currency value. Unamba kumana kuti masvika kuti hanzi toda kubvisa this multi-currency toda kubvisa ma-US dollars ari kuona ari kubetsera the economy vachiti aiwa toda kuingiriza supply yethe Zig currency kuti tirambe tine currency yedu, but vari kuramba vakagreba this currency, vari kuona kuti this currency iri kustruggle, this currency hapana ichari kwanisa kusimudza munyika yeZimbabwe. Tiri kuona kuti ivo vakomana vacho vari ma-allies vakomana vana Mthuli Ncube, they never use this Zig but they want their isusu ma-citizens tichanise this Zimbabwean kuti motise mafungiro enyu muri kudiva pamusoro pemashoko open ekume section medu. Subscribe, like, watch on turn on the bell icon.